Papa Ron here. Today we're out in Northern California. We're in my front yard. It's too hot to go out to the campsite. It's too dry out there. So we're gonna have lots of traffic. So you're getting ready to go camping and you ask the kids, what do you want to have for lunch? And they'll always say, hot dogs, we want hot dogs. So today we're going to show you how to make chili dogs for lunch. Okay, to start off with, you'll want to open your can. It's always a good idea to keep a pocket knife like this with a can opener on it in your truck or in your EDC stuff. And you push the tip through like that and you just work your way around the can. Just like that. And we'll pour it in the saucepan. Next, you can put in a couple hot dogs, or in this case, brats. Work them in a little. Lid on. Put the little windshield on. Put the grate on and wait for it to start burning. Okay, the burner looks like it's heated up enough to cook with. So we'll set the pot up on top. You can see the buddy burners don't burn as clean as an alcohol stove, but you can see the flame. Today it's like 90 degrees out here. It's almost hot enough to cook on the tailgate by itself. Stir it up a little bit. Starting to bubble. Looks like we're plenty hot. Set the lid on that. Take the grate off, maybe. Set the lid on top of it and see if we can put it out. So we got hamburger buns. You can take them and toast them a little bit on your campfire if you want. Hot dog buns, I mean. Spread them open. Get a brat, set that on there. A little bit of chili on it. Put a little bit of cheese on it if you want. You can put some green onions on it or onions on it if you want. And you'll have a camp lunch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoy my videos. And we'll see you next time.